Good morning, friends. Welcome to ABC Real by Bhanu channel. Today, I am Anshu Kaur. I am here to discuss Poem 3 Paper Boats with all of you. This is a poem of class 5th subject English reader. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. In this video, we are going to discuss first, word meaning of this poem, second, objective questions of this poem, third, question and answer of this poem. Friends, English reader, poem 3 से पहले हम लोगों ने 6 chapters and 2 poems की exercises discuss की हैं. आप इस वीडियो को देखने से पहले उन एक्सरसाइजेस की वीडियो जरूर देख लें क्योंकि इंग्लिश रीडर ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है और हमारे सभी वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें जिससे वो भी हमारी इंग्लिश रीडर ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सके. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारे चैनल का कंटेंट पसंद आए तो हमारे चैनल के सभी वीडियोस को लाइक करना ना भूलें. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा तो कमेंट बॉक्स में यस जरूर लिखें. तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं. फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस वर्ड मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लेसन. फर्स्ट, रनिंग. इट इज अ वर्ब which means flowing. Second, strange. It is a noun which means foreign. Third, load. It is a verb which means to fill. Fourth, blooms. It is a noun which means flowers. Fifth, dawn. It is also a noun which means early morning. Sixth, launch. It is a verb which means to set in motion. Seventh, bulging. It is an adjective which means swollen. Eighth, playmate. It is a noun which means friend. Ninth, bury. It is a verb which means to hide. 10th, leading. It is a noun which means cargo of the boat. Second, we will discuss objective questions of this lesson. Question number 1. Where does the poet plot his paper boats? Options are A. In the stream, B. In the river, C. In the ocean, D. In the sea. Answer of this question is A. In the stream. Question number 2. What does the poet write on his paper boats? Options are A. His mother's name, B. His village's name, C. His own and his village's name, D. His friend's address. Answer of this question is C. His own and his village's name. Question number 3. What is Shivli? Options are A. An animal, B. A type of a flower, C. A bird, D. A village. Answer of this question is B. A type of a flower. Question number 4. What does the poet see in the sky? Options are A. Stars, B. The sun, C. Little clouds, D. The rainbow. Answer of this question is C. Little clouds. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं। Third, we will discuss question and answer of this lesson. Let's start with question number 1. How does the poet write his name on the paper boards? Answer of this question is the poet writes his name in big black letters on the paper boards. Question number 2. What does the poet hope about the blooms of the dawn? Answer of this question is the poet hopes that these blooms will be carried safely to land in the night. Question number 3. What does the poet dream at night? Answer of this question is the poet dream at night that his paper boat floats on and on under the midnight stars. Question number 4. Who are sailing in the paper boats at night? What are they carrying? Answer of this question is the fairies of sleep are sailing in the paper boats at night. They are carrying their baskets full of dreams. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more such videos, press bell icon. Friends, English Reader All Chapter Series एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज आप हमारे सभी वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें जिससे वो भी हमारी इंग्लिश रीडर ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सके। तो फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।